Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by evaluating what's happening and preparing tools. You'll check pain on a 0-10 scale and watch for numbness or sharp radiating pain. If present, stop and seek help. Once done, photograph or view your neutral posture so you can measure changes. Make sure to collect a small towel for support, a band for gentle resistance, and a timer. This initial step saves time and prevents common mistakes when you start corrective work. You now mobilize the neck and build supportive strength. Start with gentle mobility, slow rotations and pain-free chin tucks to restore range. Do 2-3 sets. Then perform isometric holds, pressing your head into your hand or band for 10-15 seconds to retrain muscle balance. This reduces the leaning tendency. Next, engage scapular muscles with rows or band pull-aparts to stabilize the shoulder girdle. Stronger shoulders help keep the neck aligned. Progress gradually and track changes each session. You finish by reintegrating improved alignment into real life and preventing relapse. Practice maintaining neutral neck while sitting, standing, and using devices. Use a mirror or compare photos to confirm progress. Make short daily warm-ups before long posture demands and keep up scapular and neck strengthening 3-4 times weekly. If you hit a setback, reduce intensity, avoid painful ranges, and apply ice or heat as needed. If symptoms
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.